guys, back with another video, and you're here with Glock, Ktwo Gaming. Today I'm going to be showing you the outfit I made that's in my thumbnail. But before I show you, like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody you know. So now you just want to walk over to the counter. Go all the way down until you see bodysuits. Now with these three outfits I'm about to show you, you can pick which one you want, because you're only going to be getting the top. So I'm going to pick this one right here. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to the barbershop.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Welcome to my shop, honey. What do you have in
So
mind?
once you're at the barbershop, basically you want to go to chest, and then you want to have it on shaved.
This is some of my best work yet, I think.
And then the next step is with a contact, and then pick any contact you want. So once you're done, just back out. You should have the sweatpants on while the bodysuit top is still on you. And now you can take the mask off. But the only way you can take the mask off is if you put the rebreather on, and that's it. You could save this outfit. I just showed you how to get it. And before this video is over, like, comment, subscribe.